Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Hey everyone, I'm really excited to share something brand new that I've been working on with you today. Something I know a lot of you have been asking for, and it's designed specifically for accountants and high-stress professionals who want to reduce their overwhelm, increase productivity, and actually enjoy their lives again. If that sounds like you, I'm glad you're here with me today. I'm going to tell you all about this brand new community I'm launching called the RE INVENTION Process Community, how it works, who it's for, and how you can join. It's going to be your support system to reduce stress, get focused, and hit your goals in record time. Let's dive in. So if you're an accountant, whether you're a CPA in public accounting, tax preparation, bookkeeping, or finance, or if you have a high-stress profession, like owning a business, where the demands never seem to end, you know how overwhelming it can be. The deadlines, the client expectations, the workload, and the busy seasons never really seem to stop. Many of you have told me that despite all your hard work, you feel like you're trapped in an endless loop of stress and overwhelm. You may feel like no matter how much you do, there's always more to do, and your personal life feels like it's on the back burner. You want to get ahead, you want to feel in control, but you're exhausted, burnt out, and maybe you're even feeling a little guilty for wanting something different. I get it because I've been there myself. With over 20 years as a CPA with my own accounting business, I know exactly what that pressure feels like. And as a certified coach, I've also learned the strategies to break free from those patterns. That's why I created the RE INVENTION Process Community, a place for high-stress professionals just like you to come together for accountability, support, and a community that understands what you're going through. A place to get unstuck, reduce your stress, get focused, and achieve your goals, both at work and in your personal life. Let's talk about some of the specific challenges this community addresses. First, there are the external pressures, the long hours, the client demands, and the deadlines that never seem to stop. These create a constant state of overwhelm. Then there's what you're struggling with internally, stress and anxiety that build up, making it hard to focus, making it tough to say no to people, and leaving you feeling drained emotionally and physically. And lastly, the problem that you've worked so hard to get to where you are. You deserve to have a career that you love and a life that you enjoy. You shouldn't have to sacrifice your health or your happiness just to keep up. Many accountants and high-stress professionals face this on a daily basis, and it's no wonder that burnout rates are rising. Have you ever wondered why typical solutions don't work? Maybe you've tried time management hacks, meditation apps, or even going to a therapist. They're all great tools, but often they don't stick because they don't address the whole picture. You need ongoing help, a community that understands your unique pressures, and support that's tailored to your real-world challenges. That's the gap that the Reinvention Process Community fills. It's not a one-time workshop or generic advice. It's an ongoing, affordable membership with live coaching, peer support, and unlimited access to me for questions and accountability. So here's what you get when you join the Reinvention Process Community. Monthly live group accountability and co-working sessions where you can ask questions, get the support that you need, and then join the co-working session to make real progress on your goals with the accountability that helps you stay focused. Unlimited email support between calls. This means that you can reach out anytime you hit a challenge or need feedback and get personalized support without waiting weeks until the next session. This is great for people who need more private support as well. Weekly accountability check-ins. These are your built-in momentum boosters. Each week you'll get a personalized email from me checking in on your goals for the week. It's your opportunity to refocus, get encouragement, and track your progress in real time. Then we have access to a private community of accountants and high-stress professionals who get what you're going through, where you can connect, mastermind, and hold each other accountable. We have introductory pricing of $47 per month when you sign up by August 31st, 2025. This special pricing is locked in for life. There's no surprise price increases down the road, and you're free to cancel at any time. Plus, if you sign up by the end of the day on Tuesday, August 19th, 2025, you'll receive a bonus 45-minute private strategy session with me to get clear about your goals and where you want to focus your time to achieve the greatest return on investment in your life. So here's how it works. It's a simple 3-step process. Number 1, you join the community at the special introductory rate. Number 2, show up to the monthly group accountability and co-working sessions and use the unlimited email support and accountability to get support, feedback, and encouragement. And number 3, fast track your goal achievement with less stress, more support, and finally feel in control of your life again. I want you to imagine what it would be like to go from feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, and feeling behind to calm, focused, and in control. From being stressed and disconnected from your personal life to having more energy, time for yourself, and a happier, healthier life. That's what I want for you. So when is the right time for you to join? The reality is, stress and burnout don't get better on their own. They often get worse. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to make changes. By joining now, you'll lock in at the lowest price, gain immediate access to the accountability and support, and you'll receive a bonus 45-minute private strategy session if you act quickly. The first live call that we're having is on Wednesday, August 27th at noon Central Time, and I'd love for you to be there. You can sign up today by going to financialadventure.com/community. I'll also post a link for this and other valuable resources in the show notes. Once you join, you'll get access to the private community, your monthly accountability and co-working sessions, and I'll be available for unlimited email support. Thanks so much for listening and being part of this community. I'm really looking forward to working with you in the Reinvention Process Community and helping you reduce your stress, get focused, and achieve your goals. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode. and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.